Okay, hello everyone, welcome back to my EAngkor channel tutorial. Okay, today I will show you how to change location Outlook data file. The first, you can go to File, Account Setting, Data File, and select on your item data file and open location. Okay, now my data file on this part, see user PC document Outlook file, and I want to change this location to other location. Okay, right now you can go to close Microsoft Outlook first, and then you can go to right click on your data file and cut, go to new location that you want to import. Now I want paste data file on Outlook EAngkor folder on drive D. Okay, right click and paste it on here, and then you can go to open Microsoft Outlook again. Okay, yeah, this file, this part cannot be found. Okay, go to find a new location that you paste your Microsoft Outlook data file on here. Outlook EAngkor, into it, select on your data file and open. Okay, already, but it cannot send receive. Let me show you the message. Yeah, Outlook data file cannot be accessed. Now go to fix it, close, go to File, Account Setting, click on Change Folder, extract it, select your folder that you want get, receives a new message. I choose inbox and OK. Again, okay, change to inbox. You can see this part. And close. Now you can go to test send receive again. Now it's working. Send receive your email on inbox folder. Okay, already. Now you can test restart your Microsoft Outlook again. Okay, yeah, it's complete. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Please help me like and subscribe my channel. Thanks so much.